Hell yeah. That natural chicken never tasted this good. That all natty brah chicken in all natty environment. She Man, Wim Hof must be checking off the best science videos. First we were in the Lapland with a bunch of ice. We built a massive ice castle. Wim Hof, you can buy that place from me. $7.7 million. That's my offer. Now we're at the creek. It's still snowy. Man, Wim Hof would love to jump there. The air is fresh AF here. It's spring in the air. Soon things are coming back to life. If you have never eaten that all natty raw chicken in all natural environment, aka nature, you're missing out, son. Every food tastes so much better outside. This is the quickest cure if you're depressed. Get out. Find a nice, peaceful nature spot. And your body is gonna be good. Obviously you're gonna do probably you need to change a bunch of other things. Because depression is just your body saying you fucked it up somehow. Now some of those things might be kinda hard to change. Because it's not always up to you. But hey, this is an easy fix. And a whole lot of people seem to be caught quite depressed. Anyway, think about it. See you on the next one.